Today's video, you will learn how to adjust or remove an Eggersmann 3.0 or Eggersmann Series swing door hinge. There are 3 variations in this series and all 3 adjust the same way. If you're not sure of your series, please contact your local Eggersmann office. To remove the cabinet door, first, fully open the door. Locate the hinges. Remove the Eggersmann name badge using your finger. It should pop off easily. If you need to apply additional pressure to remove the name badge, use a flathead screwdriver in the small notched opening on the top of the name badge to pry it off gently. Now locate the latch near the inner side of the hinge. Press the latch, and while you're doing this, push the door back by inserting your thumb into the pocket near the hinge. This will release the hinge from the cabinet. Do the same for the remaining hinges. It is recommended to start with the bottom hinge and work your way up. If you are removing a door taller than 3 feet, please ask for a second hand. Now here's how we put the door back on. Align the door so the hinge on the door and the hinge receptor on the cabinet match up. Now, match up the groove on the door hinge with the tab on the cabinet hinge. Press the door hinges together like this. When you properly attach the door, you'll see the latch pop back into place and hear a click. Do the same for the other hinges. Now snap the nameplate back on. And that's it. Remember, don't force anything. There are no tools necessary to remove or replace a cabinet door. It should be a simple process. The cabinet door can be adjusted quickly and easily using the Phillips head screwdriver. The first thing you must do is remove the nameplate as instructed earlier in the video. Then locate the 3 adjustment screws. Screw 1, adjust the door from left to right. Screw 2, adjust the door up and down. And screw 3, adjust the door forward and backward, or in and out. Depending on the adjustment that needs to be made, start by adjusting the corresponding screw, first by turning it clockwise or counterclockwise. Close the door and check your progress. For example, if the door needs to be adjusted from left to right, turn screw 1, then check your progress. The key here is small adjustments. Do about a quarter turn at a time and check your progress. Do this a few times until the door is fully adjusted. It is likely that you'll have to adjust the other hinges on the same door as well, because although the hinges work independently, each plays a part in the overall adjustment of the door. Make an adjustment, close the door to check your progress, and repeat as necessary. Even when you factor in several adjustments and checks, you'll likely adjust the door in a matter of minutes. Please pay special note to the 155-degree hinge as shown. This must be open in a specific position to access the adjustment screw. It's important to know that Eggersmann cabinetry is engineered to be adjusted easily and without force. If it feels like you have to force anything, please stop and call your Eggersmann local showroom or dealer and request assistance from their service team.